This poem is entitled I Stand. I stand. I stand before you naked, yet fully clothed, exposing strength and weaknesses for you to know. I stand as clay, but not for you to mold. As I stand before you in full splendor, take me as I am or leave me where I stand. I am not some weekend project you gaze upon with big eyes as you say to yourself, I can do so much with this. My destiny is written in the cosmos, but it is mine to unfold. You can help me unlock my gifts and talents that lie in the treasure trove of my heart. Come with a shovel, because my soil is deep. Leave your magnifying glass at home, because I am not a specimen to be critiqued. I am as dynamic as the clouds in the sky, ever changing. The different characters of me exposed and hidden based upon the need. For at times, when you see yourself, you will see me. As I stand here in full display, my body being caressed by the morning breeze, the wind wrapping herself around me, covering my entire frame, I think to myself, will she be accompanied by your feminine energy? I stand still enough so you can get a glimpse of me, for your spirituality resonates with mine. I am in this story. I am in this book, for you are a character in my world. I lay here wondering how this will unfold. I saw you while I was traveling through space and time. I stood respectfully as you walked on by. I am not looking for clay to shape and mold. I am looking for a fellow sculptor that knows what she wants to unfold. A woman that can navigate space and time, that can change herself to deliver her purpose in life. I am one that welcomes creativity, passion, and drive. I welcome you in my life. One that welcomes creativity, children, and pleasure as I stand naked, receptive, and open, my energy flowing, extending myself into the world with an open invitation. This is Silent Storm signing out. Thank you.